We're doing special effects makeup today, being a part of the beauty and body art program on Twitch. I'm super excited to be a part of it. I'm doing some stuff with these. They're gonna be like in my face and stuff because, you know, the Queen of Hearts, she killed me. It's a black beauty blender, okay? Imagine I was just beating my face with a rock. I can't handle you guys. We have our lovely scab blood. Yummy! We're making ourselves Dead Alice in Wonderland, so we're gonna have like cards in our face and stuff. So I'm thinking we're gonna leave this on our forehead. I kind of want to put this one, because I have two, and I kind of want to do the other one here. I don't know how it's gonna be on my neck though. Oh wait, this right here. No, I wanted to do it here, I think. My favorite part about special effects is like getting into the blood and the paint and stuff, and just making it look realistic. What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. If you are new here, my name is Autumn, just like the season. Yes, it is my real name. Everyone asked me that, but yes, my parents did name me Autumn. Welcome, welcome. I mostly play FPS games here on my channel. I am very competitive. I've been playing shooters since I was like a kid, but I also love doing special effects makeup, such as The Exorcist over there. I've done so many other different styles and looks and stuff. I just forgot to put the pictures up, but yeah, Exorcist was like one of my favorites. Today we are doing Dead Alice in Wonderland. I don't know how well this is gonna stick. Is the music too creepy? I'm gonna take some bruise tone. It's a little bit of a darker color. I'm adding a darker red. It's called the bruise tone into certain areas just to give it more depth. I'm gonna add some yellow too. Work in progress, chat. Now we're gonna use stage blood. Now this is gonna be messy. It looks perfectly splendid. All right, guys, that's it. What's up, everyone? Hello, hello. It is Freddy Krueger time. This is my imposter hat. All right, guys, this is the look. Thank you so much for coming by. This is it, basically. Hope you guys have a good night. I'm gonna go. Professional quality bald cap. Practice makes perfect. Congratulations on your purchase of this high quality bald cap. This hat is so massive. It's made for giants, I swear to God. Okay, this is the bald cap. I have no idea how to do this. Charles, I can't believe I got my hair done today and I'm covering it up. So sad. This is a look. This is just my outline, by the way. We're using legit silicone to like mask everything out. Come here. Come. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. You guys ready? Show everyone your bow tie? Yeah. 1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, grab a crucifix. 7, 8, I forget the words. 9, 10, never sleep again. Yeah, I can't smile. Like, if you guys make me smile, it's gonna ruin everything. Don't make me smile, chat. Don't do it. Ew, I'm laughing at myself. This is as far as I can laugh. I look like a psycho. I'm feeling so cute right now, chat. You have no idea. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. You guys like it? Did I do a good job? 3, 4, better luck. Mother fluffer! You idiot! Where are you going, Bill? Bill! Oh my God! Bill, please stop struggling. Oh, yeah. I can't take myself seriously with this nose, dude. I look like Squidward. You're such a rat. No. He's like, what? I know, this nose is insane. We're gonna need a lot of layers for this. We're gonna keep layering this as much as we can. This is so gross. I look so scary. Ew. Oh my gosh. Ew. All right, you guys ready for the grand finale? Well, well, well. Whoa, it looks so sick. Let's go. Damn, I popped off. I'm actually scaring myself. Like when I look at myself, I'm like, who is she? I'm scared to like go anywhere. I'm scared of myself, dude. What? Are you staring at me? He's so confused. Okay, so this is gonna be a much quicker special effects look. And then we're gaming with everybody. We're gonna be drinking. So I'm gonna be drunk Pennywise tonight. So it'll be fun. You guys wanna see Charlie quick? Oh. Hi. Hello. Are we getting new Charlie emotes? We're getting 3 Charlie emotes. Hiya, Georgie. It'll be fun. I'm excited for this look. It won't, like I said, it won't be too crazy. Whenever you guys see movies and actresses are crying, they're probably using this. Oh my god, I should paint my entire forehead in this when I'm playing Valorant and just tell everyone I'm really sweaty at the game. You're doing great, Sweaty. You're doing great. Look at the side profile. Ah, my eye! Hiya, Georgie.
If you don't want to dance, what the fuck?
Put some sugar on me. Look at that booty.
I cannot decide.
Put some sugar on me.
I can't decide.
I'm
dead. Oh, we lost the bomb.
Cloak's down. He's down. He's down. He's
I gotta
down.
teach-
Anthony's also down. Fuck them all, bro. Yeah, you like that, Cloak? Yeah, get fucking fucked, baby. It's gonna be pretty simple. Nothing crazy. Like this costume was like $80 and it's probably worth $5, dude. Halloween costumes are so overpriced and they're like always garbage. All right, I'm putting primer on my face. Wait, it's so messed up right now? Hold on. Dude, wigs suck. I mean, I know it does look like a bowl cut. The hair is the scariest part. I'm okay, chat. It's not my skin, it's fake skin. Looks like you threw up? Yeah, that's the point. I bit an apple and I threw up and it was poisonous and toxic. We're gonna make this look way more nasty. Make my skin kind of look pale, even though I'm already pale. COVID is evolving. Alright, guys. What do you think? It's so weird because I can't see out of this eye. But yeah, I ate a poisonous apple and I died. GG's. I don't have an apple to show you guys because I ate it.